How to download data from Instagram. So if you want to download data from Instagram, then what you need to do is first you need to just open up your Instagram application. Make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to go with the bottom right, which has that profile, and then go with the upper right, which has 3 horizontal lines. And now you need to go with the account center, which is on the top. Under account center, you need to go with your information and permissions. Under that, you will have download your information, tap on it, and from here you'll be able to download your information or your data. So tap on download or transfer information, select your Instagram or your Facebook of whom you would like to download your data, go with next, and then you can choose all the available information or some of your information. So if you choose all of your available information, then it might take a few days, but if you go with some of your information, and if you select a particular topics like 2 or 3 topics, then it might be ready within a few hours. So you can go with the comments or messages. Now go with next, go with download to a device or transfer to a destination, any option that you're comfortable with. So I'll go with download to device, and you can go with date range, the notification, the format, the media quality, and then tap on create files. And within a few hours you will have your file ready to download. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.